AI is not a product, it's a feature. It's a phrase that's been bandied around by journalists and tech bros alike. But what does it actually mean? It kind of makes sense that AI exists as a blank slate, but that's not where its potential lies. No one needs a brain in a vat. They need a brain with tools. The tools are the point, and the brain is a feature that makes the tools intelligent. That's what this idea means. It's why Apple hasn't been so focused on AI. While Google and X and OpenAI have been beavering away, Apple's been keeping it chill. Why? Because they think they'll still control the ecosystem. They don't need to build AI, they can just lease it. It's another feature, like apps, or conveniences, like Apple Pay. But while the AI companies build the AIs, companies like Apple build the ecosystem. Who's building the products? That's where AI wrappers come in. And what makes this opportunity so insanely big is that big companies are busy. They're not the ones doing this. It's startups and college kids on a shoestring budget. It's vibe coders downing espressos because they're too broke to buy a matcha latte. And this space is hot. So, what is an AI wrapper? How can you get one? And why should you think about stopping everything and vibe coding one right now? Imagine a super powerful car engine. This engine is like a big AI model. Think a GPT-4, Google's Gemini, or Claude. These models are very smart. But an engine alone isn't a car, right? You need a body, wheels, a steering wheel. That's what an AI wrapper does. An AI wrapper takes that powerful AI engine, then it builds a special tool around it. It adds an easy-to-use interface. It adds specific knowledge for a certain job. Maybe it's a wrapper for lawyers. It helps them with legal documents. Maybe it's for artists. It helps them create amazing images. Or for coders, helping them write software super fast. These wrappers make powerful AI useful for you. They wrap the complex AI in something simple. Okay, so why are we seeing so many AI wrappers now? It's like a perfect storm. First, those big AI engines. They're more available. Companies like OpenAI and Google let others use them. It's through something called an API. Think of it like a special access pass. Second, it's cheaper and faster. Building a giant AI model costs billions. Most companies can't do that. But building a wrapper, much more doable. They can create new tools quickly. Get them to people like you and me. Third, people want specific AI tools. A general AI is cool, but a doctor needs an AI for medical tasks. A writer needs an AI for storytelling. Wrappers give us these specialized tools. They solve real problems in real industries. This is why the AI wrapper market is booming. Let's look at some examples that you can use today. In software writing, there are tools like Windsurf and Cursor. These act like super smart coding partners. They help developers write code much, much faster. Windsurf even got a $3 billion offer from OpenAI. That shows how valuable these wrappers are. Then there's design. Figma, a popular design tool, is adding AI. They have AI that turns designs into working websites. AI that helps create content that matches your brand, all inside the tool designers already love. Content creation is also being transformed. Descript uses AI to make video editing easier. It can remove filler words automatically. It can even clone your voice. With your permission, of course. And get this, there are even meta apps. These are wrappers that work across many apps. Imagine Granola. It records your Zoom calls or meetings. Then you can ask it questions about what was said, like having a perfect memory, a second brain, or Whisperflow. It's smart dictation for your Mac. It follows you everywhere you type. And then there's Devin. It's like an AI software engineer you can hire. These meta apps are becoming essential. They weave AI into our daily digital lives. The rise of AI wrappers is truly making AI practical. So, how do these AI wrapper companies succeed? What's their secret sauce? First, speed is key. They build and release new features fast. Like Windsurf, releasing updates every few weeks. Being quick helps them grab the market. Second, Data is super important. Wrappers collect data about specific user needs. If you build an AI wrapper for farmers, you learn about farming data. This special data helps them make their AI even better. It can even help them build their own, cheaper AI later. Data becomes their competitive edge. Third, they focus on user experience, making the tool easy and enjoyable to use. Even if two wrappers use the same AI engine, the one that's simpler and more helpful will win. A great AI wrapper feels like magic. Now, there's an interesting thing happening. The big AI model makers, like OpenAI or Google, they make money when wrappers use their AI a lot. More usage means more fees for them, but the AI wrapper companies want the opposite. Using the big AI costs them money, so they try to use it efficiently or find cheaper ways. This creates a bit of a tug-of-war. What could happen? Sometimes the big AI companies might buy successful wrappers, like OpenAI wanting to buy Windsurf, or wrapper companies might start building their own smaller, custom AIs, especially if they have lots of that special data we talked about. It's a dynamic space, always changing. This tension fuels even more innovation in AI wrappers. There's another exciting trend: open source AI. These are AI models you can often download and run them on your own computer. Models like Meta's Llama are an example. Why is this great for AI wrappers? First, privacy. Your data stays with you. It doesn't go to a big company's cloud. Second, speed. No internet lag. It can also be cheaper in the long run. Imagine an AI wrapper like Sparkle. It wants to organize all the files on your Mac. Using a local, open-source AI means it's private and fast. It understands your files without sending them anywhere. This open-source movement is giving more power to builders and to you, the user. So, what's the future of AI wrappers? It's incredibly bright. We'll see even more specialized wrappers. Tools for every job, every industry you can imagine. Those meta apps will get smarter, will be woven more deeply into our lives, helping us seamlessly. Oh, the best part, this isn't just for big tech. The rise of AI wrappers means more people can build with AI. If you have an idea, if you're an expert in something, you can combine your knowledge with AI. You can build a tool to help others. The barrier to creating AI solutions is lower than ever. What problem in your life or your job could an AI wrapper solve? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.